For Aloha Mari. Check the vibe.
Lelei, Atua.
God is good.
All the time.
Yeah. We want family in this. Addo Ding, let's bounce. Let's bounce. Storm clouds got the rain above the reef. Don't worry about the weather, we got belief. The waves crash high, trying to shake the boat, but the anchor is heavy, that's why we stay afloat. No solo players, we don't ball alone. Pack the bless around and get a microphone. When the pressure hits hard, heavy on the chest, just remember the sword, yeah, we truly blessed.
Ooh, I top of the posse.
We bound as one. Under the rain, but under the sun.
Don't look at the score, look at the plan. We walking steady across the lane. If you fall down, no south, grab my hand. Let out these say, yeah, there ain't no one left behind. Keep the beast in the heart and the mind. God is good, all the time.
When the road gets rough, we don't switch lanes. Running through these mud, dancing in the rain. One team, one dream, feeling that mana, straight from the heart.
I've been tight.
Hosanna, wait, keep it steady. Sunday vibes every day of the week. Humility is loud, you don't have to speak. White shirt, lava lava, spirit is strong. We forget fast when the brothers do wrong. Don't forget the feast when the table is full. Don't forget the hunger when the times are cool. Whether feast or famine, the praise remains. Breaking every shackle, breaking all the chains. We moving with the light, keeping the vision clear. 20, 20, 20, 20, slack, 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 slack.
See, I'm fighting flesh and blood. We lifting each other out of the mud. Forget the colors, forget the pride. We on the same team, standing side by side. Not forever,
That's the bottom line. Let the gratitude shine.
God is good, tiny over all the time.
When the world drives us good, us we holding tight. Walking by faith, not just by sight. One team, one dream, feeling that matters. Street full of heart.
All the time. One
One love.